to be an echo, riding alone, town after town, toll after toll. A thick bayonet through the great southwest to forget her. She appears in his dreams, but in his car and in his arms a dream could mean anything. A cheap sunset on a television set could upset her, but he never could. Remember to remember me, standing still in your past, floating fast like a hummingbird. His goal in life was to be an echo, the type of sound that floats around and then back down like a feather. But in the deep chrome canyons of the loudest Manhattans, no one could hear him or anything. So he slept on a mountain